Let's now talk about liver qi invading the stomach. This pattern is very similar to the previous pattern in its pathological mechanisms and etiology, liver qi invading the spleen. There will also be an overlap between the two patterns, and both patterns can be seen in the same patient. The difference between this pattern and the other one is that in this pattern, the stomach will be more influenced by foods that are hot and ascending in their energy and will be less affected by food that is physically cold or has a cooling energy. Food can stagnate in the stomach if it is too difficult to transform, if too much is eaten at a time, or if it is eaten too quickly or too late in the evening. This will create food stagnation and thereby heat in the stomach, which may cause the stomach chi to become rebellious. Otherwise, the etiology will be the same as in liver chi invading the spleen. Symptoms and signs: abdominal bloating and abdominal pain that occur or are exacerbated by stress and emotional influences. Hypochondriac tension or tightness in the solar plexus region. Cold hands and feet, the buttocks and tip of the nose may also be cold. Nausea, acid regurgitation or heartburn, vomiting, burping, hiccups, irritability, mood swings. The person may have a hard or staccato voice, pale tongue with red sides or red speckled sides, wiry pulse in the left quan position and weak pulse in the right quan position. Sometimes the pulse is wiry in the right quan position. Key symptoms: abdominal bloating, cold hands and feet, belching, and a wiry pulse. Treatment principle: harmonize stomach and liver by tonifying stomach chi and spreading liver chi. Acupuncture points: choose from stomach 21, 36, Ren 10, 11, 12, 13, liver 3, 14, pericardium 6, GB 34, bladder 18, and 21. Needle technique: draining technique on liver 3, 14, pericardium 6, GB 34, Ren 13, stomach 21, and bladder 18. Tonifying technique on stomach 36, Ren 10, 11, 12, and bladder 21. Liver 3, bladder 18, and GB 34 spread stagnant liver chi. Pericardium 6 and liver 14 spread liver chi and regulate chi in the middle jaw. Ren 13 and stomach 21 regulate rebellious stomach chi. Stomach 36, Ren 10, 11, 12, and bladder 21 tonify and regulate stomach chi. The advice that was given for the pattern liver chi invading the spleen is relevant here. The person should also avoid food that has an ascending dynamic. For example, chili. They should also avoid eating food that creates food stagnation, eating too late at night, eating too quickly, or eating too much at a time. Stroking the fingers down the REN channel from REN 15 down to REN 9 after a meal can help descend stomach chi. Liver chi invading the stomach patterns can be caused by stomach chi deficiency, liver chi stagnation, spleen chi deficiency, food stagnation, damp, and can result in stomach fire, stomach yin deficiency, spleen chi deficiency, food stagnation, damp, and phlegm. To summarize, liver chi invading the stomach, the etiology would include states of resentment, frustration, and anger over long periods of time. Underlying accompanying pathology is liver chi stagnation. Signs and symptoms: hypochondrial or epigastric distension, sighing, hiccup, nausea, and vomiting of sour fluid, poor appetite or aversion to food, diarrhea, dizziness, belching, churning sensation in the stomach, irritability, breast distension, and tenderness in women. Pulse, wiry, especially on left middle position. Tongue, normal color, sides may be red. Treatment principle: calm the liver and harmonize middle burner, supplement stomach chi, regulate intestine. Acupuncture treatment: bladder 21 regulates center, harmonizes stomach. Ren 12 harmonizes the stomach. Stomach 36 supplements stomach and spleen chi. Stomach 25 regulates large intestine. Spleen 6 supplements spleen, regulates liver. Stomach 21 harmonizes the middle burner. Needle with supplementation. Bladder 18 regulates liver chi and blood. Pericardium 6 lowers rebellious chi. Liver 3 courses liver chi, subdues yang. Liver 14 harmonizes liver chi in the middle burner. GB 34 courses liver chi. Stomach 19 lowers rebellion. Sanjiao 6 benefits lateral costal region. Needle with drainage or even method. Thank you so much for listening.